Hello! Today, we welcome you to one of Cappadocia's magical stone houses, right beside the fairy chimneys, around a warm tandoor oven. But this is not an ordinary cooking video. Today, along with our two special guests, we'll be discovering and cooking some traditional Turkish dishes right here in the heart of Cappadocia. Beautiful Göreme. This isn't just a kitchen where meals are prepared. This is a special place where culture, history, and flavor meet in the same tandoor. The Cappadocia Cooking Class experience. So what exactly is a cooking class? It means stepping into a kitchen and experiencing a culture from within. Not just watching, touching, cooking, and most importantly, tasting. The Cappadocia Cooking Class takes this experience to an entirely new level. Because here, food is more than just food. It's history, tradition, and a story. Inside Cappadocia's stone houses, beside a real tandoor, we live and breathe this culture as we cook with our guests. We are now in the courtyard of an old stone house. Fairy chimneys are everywhere, and right outside the door, there's a handmade, portable tandoor. In this tandoor, our dishes will slowly cook over fire, giving you that comforting, homemade with love feeling. And do you know what makes it even more special for both us and our guests? The participants of Cappadocia Cooking Class will prepare some of Anatolia and Cappadocia's most special dishes with their own hands. Today's guests are two wonderful women from the United States. They love cooking and eating, and this will be their first close encounter with Turkish cuisine. Thanks to Cappadocia Cooking Class, they won't just taste these unique flavors, they'll also be part of the preparation process. They'll roll the grape leaves themselves, cut the meats, and in short, become part of this traditional kitchen. Today, we'll be cooking 8 traditional dishes together. Lamb ribs in the tandoor, cooked in chunks. The legendary Cappadocia pottery kebab. Grilled-style chicken kebab. A staple in every home in Cappadocia, dried bean stew. Stuffed eggplant bursting with flavor. Turkish stuffed eggplant with minced meat. Meat-filled Turkish dumplings. Vegetarian version of Turkish dumplings. And the must-have, stuffed grape leaves. For dessert, we'll make a special apricot dessert unique to Cappadocia. All these dishes will be cooked over a tandoor fire, using natural ingredients right in front of a historic stone house, as part of the Cappadocia Cooking Class experience. We start with the lamb ribs, meat, olive oil, thyme, garlic, all fresh and natural. Next is the pottery kebab. As you can see, during the Cappadocia Cooking Class experience, our chef, Aunt Aishi, is explaining each recipe to our guests one by one. Time for chicken kebab. First, we prepare the filling with tomatoes, peppers, and the other ingredients. Next, we combine the marinated chicken with the other ingredients, carefully place everything into the clay pot, and then it goes into the tandoor to cook. The mint just said, "I'm in too." All right, the meat's ready for the tandoor. Let's get started on the other dishes. We skipped the preparation of the other dishes in the video, but don't worry, they're all made with the same care and love. Next, we move on to the most delicate and detailed dish of the day, stuffed grape leaves, a true test of skill and tradition. Now, our chef is showing the guests how to make stuffed grape leaves step by step. Each roll is carefully wrapped one by one and gently placed into the clay pot. Don't miss out on this amazing experience right in the heart of Cappadocia. Göreme, roll up your sleeves, cook your favorite traditional dish with your own hands, and enjoy every delicious bite. This cooking class isn't just about food, it's a fun, unforgettable adventure for your taste buds and your heart. With the rolls ready, we pour on some oil and tomato paste to make them extra delicious. First, we need to prepare the tandoor together with our guests. We need the wood to burn down completely and the fire to turn into embers, so we're waiting for a bit. The final step is placing our dishes in the tandoor, and we're confident each one will be uniquely delicious. The dishes are cooking in the tandoor, 4 in each one. Now, we're starting on one of Cappadocia's famous sweets, the apricot dessert, adding a sweet touch to our cooking class. Each apricot is gently pulled apart by hand, and walnut pieces are nestled inside before the halves are pressed back together, making this traditional dessert both flavorful and satisfying.
should go sit down? Yes. Okay.
The dishes are out of the tandoor. It's time to eat. We gather around the table set inside the stone house, under the shadow of the fairy chimneys. Our guests look amazed.
Thank you.
One by one, all the dishes are served. Our guests eagerly enjoy the meals they prepared with their own hands. With every bite, they taste not just the food, but the fruits of their effort. This is truly one of the most special moments of the Cappadocia Cooking Class experience.
This is all for me. That's a lot of food. You guys aren't eating? You need to join the party. Alright, thank you. Çok teşekkür ederim. Thank you.
In Cappadocia, eating is not just about filling your stomach. It's an experience, a moment of sharing, a cultural discovery. Different lives come together around the same tandoor. If one day you want to get your hands dusty with flour and chat by the fire, the doors of this stone house are open to you too. Cappadocia Cooking Class offers not just food, but an unforgettable story. Would you like to join us on this journey? Thank you, Cappadocia. Thank you to our guests. As Cappadocia Cooking Class, we'll see you in the next recipe, in the next story. Take care and goodbye.